Hey everyone, TGIF. We're going to kickstart this video training series today by talking about filling your two buckets and what that means. So I've got a couple visuals here to help me. I have made my two buckets, my Psqv, personal sales qualifying volume, and SV, sales volume. And we're going to go through what this means. Your goal for Psqv is 600 to be filled. Your SV needs to be at 100. And when you fill both of these in the month, then you are considered an executive consultant, which means that you are getting the most income from your sales for the month. So this should be everybody's goal, bare minimum, every month. So let's do Psqv first, your $600 bucket. So what counts towards this? First and most obvious is your preferred customer orders. So anytime somebody enrolls as a preferred customer, or if they're just reordering because they've run out of products, that is going to count towards your Psqv. The second thing that counts towards this is building your own consultant team. So when you have somebody enroll on your team by purchasing a business kit, either the $395, $695, or $995, that is going to count in your Psqv. They're going to take the 95 off. So for instance, if somebody enrolls with our most popular kit, the 695, then 600 Psqv will go into your bucket. Think about that. Enroll one consultant with the 695, boom, your bucket's filled for the month. The other thing is not only do you get the enrollment kit in your Psqv, but every month thereafter, when your consultants directly under you place orders for themselves, your direct consultant orders also count into your Psqv. So you can see it benefits you by building both your preferred customer base and your direct consultant team. Makes filling that Psqv really easy over time. So now let's talk about your SV, your sales volume. Your goal for this every month is 100. I view this as my cost of running my business. I know I'm going to spend $100 a month on my business, and then I get to write all of that off on my taxes. So first off is your Pulse subscription. In the US, it's $24.95 a month. In Canada, I think it's $29.95. I could be wrong. But they are going to credit 20 of that into your SV. So that leaves you with $80 a month. That can be filled in one of two ways. First, and what I just do on the first of the month, right out of the gate, is your CRP. That's your Consultant Replenishment Program. These are the products that I purchase to use for myself or that I am purchasing for giveaways. So my supplies for my Give It a Glow mini facials, thank you gifts for customers, incentives for you all on the team. And I like to use my CRP instead of just placing an ad hoc order because the shipping is a flat rate guaranteed shipping of $9 with your CRP. If you go in and place an ad hoc order, you're going to pay more in shipping. So I do $80 minimum CRP and my Pulse. I've got my $100 bucket filled. Another thing that counts towards this is if you have a customer that just does not want to become a preferred customer, they want to stay a retail customer, which means they pay full price and they pay for shipping. Those count into your SV as well. So these are your two buckets. There are a few little interesting scenarios where things will surprise you potentially and show up in your Psqv. One of those is, I talked about a retail customer. So let's say that I have Jane Doe as a consultant on my team, and Jane Doe gets a retail order that goes into her SV. Well, that retail order is also going to go into my Psqv. That's an odd one-off scenario. Don't get too freaked out over that. But just know that your Psqv 600 comes from preferred customers and your immediate direct consultants. Your SV comes from your business expenses, your Pulse, your CRP, and then any retail orders that you get. And this is the bare minimum, your goal for every single month. Post here in the comments section if you have any questions or if you need me to clarify anything on filling your buckets. Have a great weekend.